If you're starting content creation in 2025, don't skip this video.
Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand. I wanna stay with you every night.
So today's video is going to be related to YouTube. I think this is going to be a very power packed, I think whatever I have learned, I'll try to put it in this video so that it could help you. Then I would love it, because I have learned these things hard way and I have learned these things out of experience. So whatever I have learned, I would like to share it with you, and this, I promise you, will be very helpful if you're starting out your content creation journey. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the video. Okay, one of the first things I would like to say is something that I've experienced over time, is that consistency is the most important. You must have seen so many videos telling you consistency is important. This is one of the example that I have seen in my journey, is that when I post consistently, then my views increase, and like there is a momentum. I mean, you're telling your YouTube, the algorithm, that hey, I am posting consistently, I am serious about YouTube. So consistency is very important, and having a proper plan is very important, because you cannot just get up and make videos. You have to plan it properly, that you know when this video is going to go, what I'm showing in this video, what kind of a video is it. You need to know about the hooks, you need to plan each and everything about this video. So consistency is very important. Post 3 times a week, post 2 times a week, or 1 time a week, whatever it is. Fix the schedule and be consistent. That's the only way. And even if you're inconsistent 1 or 2 days, then just get up the next day and still post according to your posting schedule, because that is important. And this, I think I've seen a major change in my own growth when I did that. So consistency is definitely important. And another thing is that not everybody's journey is going to be linear, or everybody's journey is going to go boom all the way up at once. For some people it will be linear, it will be a slow growth. For some people, one video might go viral and then they get really popular, but that is 2 different journeys. Their journey is different, your journey is different. And trust me, if you get one viral video also, you will get subscribers, but you will only be monetized if you have watch hours. We will get to that throughout the video. So consistency is important. Even if your one video goes viral, nothing is going to change. You have to keep pushing yourself and post more videos. And if we come to YouTube is a search engine platform. People come here in a mindset of searching for something. People come here for answers. People come here for solutions to their problems. So always put yourself in your audience's perspective, I would say. Always see your demographics, see your audience, see the age group. It will show you age group. I will drop pictures of how that looks. It will always tell you what kind of an audience is watching you, which age group of an audience, from which demographic they're watching you, from which city, which place. All of this information is very important, because it will give you an idea of what kind of viewers are watching your videos, and then you can cater to them. Suppose somebody from the age group of 18 to 24 is watching, what kind of a videos will they search for? They will search for something they can wear for college, affordable because they only get pocket money. So you have to understand the viewer's perspective of what is the kind of content they want to watch, and then create that content. So it is a search engine platform, so you can just type in. What I do is I go to my YouTube and I type how to style, because I make videos related to fashion, I make videos related to lifestyle and all of these categories. So I just go and type in how to style, and the next word what comes in the suggestions only gives me a lot of ideas. So I write them out all at once and I put it in my notes, and whenever I get time, I try to implement that. So that is how try. ChatGPT is your best friend. Learn how to take ideas from ChatGPT. Learn how to take hooks from ChatGPT. Learn how to get tags and hashtags, everything from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your friend. You need to have a proper plan. Set certain days that on this particular day, I'm only going to shoot. Suppose today I have a plan that I have to shoot these many amount of videos. I've already shot 2 shorts. Now I'm shooting this long video. video. So I have a plan. So always have a plan of what you're going to do. Set a particular day. Don't mix up editing and filming day is what I prefer honestly for myself, but up to you, whatever works for you. Try to figure out that plan of what will work out for you and what will not, because it has to be sustainable. You have to be able to do it, because YouTube is not a short run game, it's a long run game. And the other thing is that take advices from people. I would say take advices. सुनो सबकी करो अपनी करना पड़ता है, because you cannot, I mean, I'm not talking about people who are actually giving you advice. People passing by, people, your relatives will give you some advice. If you take any and everybody's advice, तो फिर तो you will not be able to work. So please be mindful about whose suggestions you're taking, because it's easy for people to give you suggestions, but you are the one who's toiling hard and you are the one who's working. So gauge करो कि what is necessary, what is not necessary. Is that going to work for me? Try it out. If that doesn't work for you, don't like be कि this person has said it, matlab this only is the thing. No, it's not like that. That is also a thing. Content on different platforms is very different. Content on Instagram is very different to content on YouTube. What works on YouTube might not necessarily work on Instagram. Instagram, what I have realized is majority of relatability. If you're like very well short videos or very informative packed videos also work on Instagram. And I mean, you should be able to engage them because it's a short video, right? You need to engage them really well, and that kind of videos work. Gen Z is on Instagram, so relatability is one of the most important things. And on YouTube, I think people try to learn something out of YouTube is what I have realized. Just people try to take something back from YouTube. So that is the kind of content you need to make, something that is actually going to help them in some sort of way. And the next thing is selecting your niche. Think about what are the areas that you can make a lot of videos on and that you're genuinely good at. If you're not good at, you can still learn a lot of things from YouTube and share your knowledge. Make it like I am learning, so I'm learning with you, something like that. If you either have the skill, make use of it. If not, then learn the skill and try to put it forward. So you need to have a good knowledge of what you're talking about. So pick something like that you have proper knowledge about. And coming to equipment, I'm telling you, you don't need fancy stuff. कुछ भी phone चलेगा initially. After some time you have to थोड़ा you have to invest in it. But more than video, I think audio is very, very important. That is also one of the mistake I did in the start. I neglected audio and I realized that seeing my own videos from the laptop, the audio was really bad and I didn't know it back then. My first video's audio is so bad that I don't even want to look at it anymore. Audio is very important because people listen to your video. If the video quality of this video is bad, you'll still listen to it because the audio is clear, right? You can still hear what I'm saying. If you don't hear what I'm saying, then there's no point of a very good looking frame or a nice camera. Nothing of that matters if there is no audio quality. So audio is the king. And if we talk about equipment and other things that you will need is a proper ring light. That is what I've put on right now. It's dark, the entire room is dark. I'm just switched on one ring light. If you want, I'll put the links in the description. A nice ring light, a nice tripod, a sturdy tripod. Nowadays we are getting everything pretty cheap, so you will find I'll add links to tripod as well. Other than that, I think you don't really need much. A nice mic, of course, as I mentioned. So mic also, I will link it in the description, so check these out. Other than that, if we're talking about editing software or thumbnails, all of that, then for editing I use VLLO. You can also use Filmora. If you're filming for shorts, you can use VN, you can use Or Kuch Hai. In short, I think that's also really good. So yes, these are all the apps that are really good. For long format videos, I prefer VLLO. I've heard Filmora is really good. I've not tried it, but yes, try it out. These are the editing softwares. And if we are talking about thumbnail, then I prefer Canva. Canva में free में बहुत चीजें मिलती हैं. You don't have to pay also. Like you have templates and you can just modify it according to your design and your liking. So Canva is a good option. PicsArt, if you want to customize it really well and make it look very aesthetic, PicsArt is also something I really like. I try to see which one kind of the thumbnail I want and just use it. And another tip is that you can use your content in many ways. Use it to cross promote yourself, meaning if you're making a YouTube video, post it like snippets of it on Instagram. I do that where if I'm making a video like this, I'll cut out bits and pieces of this video and put it on Instagram, and I'll put for full video, watch so and so, and I'll link my channel. I will put it in the comments that hey, go watch my video, it's in the bio. So something like that. You need to cross promote yourself. Also, if you're filming long videos, you can make multiple short videos out of it and use it for I think 2-3 days. Considering just this video, I can use this content, make short videos and use it for 4 to 5 days. So you can do that too. And one other thing is that your analytics are very, very important. Always, I think more than creating, I've learned something is that I need to spend more time on researching, because the hero ideas are important. You can have 2 to 3 hero ideas in a month. Hero ideas are the ideas that will short work out for you. You know that if I put this kind of a video, it will 100% work out for me. Some ideas I would give you: if you're in fashion, one of that is outfit from scratch. Works really well if your outfit is also really good, and if you're like doing something fancy, it works really well. Healthy diets, weight loss, all of these are 100% sure shot will work. So make those kind of videos, list down what are your hero ideas and try to implement them. This is something I'm also trying to do. Your analytics are very important. Go to your video, see where the spike is, see where it is going down, where lots of viewers are leaving the video, so that you get to know, oh okay, this part was boring for them, so next time you can improve. Okay, I don't have to make this part of the video so long, I don't have to give such a big intro. So you need to learn from your own content, see how it's going and improve it. And another thing is, if you have started content creation, you had to have a kind of a laser focus. I think this is something I have learned. What is working for people, yes, you need to know, but don't fall into the loop of comparison, because you could be creating like really good quality content and you could be comparing with somebody that like really their one video went viral and they had a very good journey, but your content is still gold. If you're going to look at that, then you're going to downgrade in your own thinking, you're going to down spiral, and you're going to internally it will just reflect on your content. So I would say don't compare. वो horse में होता है ना, इधर उधर नहीं देखता है, it just goes forward. You should have that kind of a vision is something that I have learned कि देखना है but सीखने के लिए देखना है, compare करने के लिए नहीं देखना है. How can I improve with that perspective? Just you have to see, but not with a perspective that hey, they have hit these numbers, I have not hit these numbers. No matter when, who's starting, just have laser focus. Okay, now that I think we have pretty much covered everything, the first step I would tell you is please start. Just start. I know most of us, even I was thinking for 2 or 3 years. Now that when I think about it, I feel so stupid, but I also didn't have the correct means to do it back then. But still, I could have started much sooner. So I would say if you're watching this video, please start, because if you have clicked this video, you know that you want to become a content creator and you have that in. So just believe in yourself and push yourself and just start. First though, when I created my channel, when I put my first video, मैं आधे नींद में उसको public करके मैं सो गई, so that I don't overthink it. That is something you can try if that works for you. मतलब कुछ बना लो कि okay मैं कुछ तो करूंगी, but you should have almost not care about what anybody thinks. कोई क्या सोचता है should not be your problem only when you're starting, I feel. So it's okay. After you put 2-3 videos, then that will eventually pass. Like your own content will be your primary and what anybody thinks will be your like not even in your mind. Let's come to monetization. There are many ways you can earn from your content. You can do barter collaborations. Barter is basically they will give you product and they will take your service from you. Basically you need to make a reel or short or whatever. So you're giving them your services, they are giving you their products or whatever it is. That also could be a service. So you're getting something from them, but there will be no money exchange, no monetary exchange. Another one is paid collaborations. Paid collaborations mein they will give you a certain amount, however small or big it might be, for this particular deliverables. There a reel, a short, a story or whatever. There is another one called as reimbursement. Don't do it. I've heard many people say it, like money transfer nahi hota hai. Reimbursement is basically they'll give you the products, they'll tell you make the reel, make the short, whatever, we'll pay you after. Don't go into that whole concept. I think either you take barter. If you're starting out, barter hi aate hain for the most part. Even I'm in this phase, so I'm telling you blatantly truth what is as it is. So starting mein barter hi aate hain till the point you're growing. After that you can charge how much ever based on your numbers, then based on your views, not on your numbers, sorry. That is how you can be monetized. Another one, you you can earn money is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate is, you have probably heard of these apps, Wishlink or Layla or all of these. So suppose I'm buying from Myntra and I make a video of a haul or something and I link all those products, and I'll do it through Wishlink. I'll link all of my stuff through Wishlink, and if a user comes and buys from those products, then I get a commission. So it's almost like a commission system. Basically, if somebody buys from there, I will get a cut out of it, a very small percentage. They either have a 10% or something like that. Different brands have different prices. It is also there, but that will also have criteria. You need to have, I think, 500 subscribers on YouTube, and on Instagram, I think 2000. This is for Wishlink. I'm on Wishlink, so I'm telling you what is up with Wishlink. So this is the criteria for Wishlink. And other than that, if you want to earn, I think you can earn from UGC also. UGC is user generated content. So you make content for the brand, and you don't need to necessarily post it on your page also. Then the brand uses those videos to probably market themselves and run their ads or whatever. So you are generating content as a user. So that is also a way you can earn. And initially earning बहुत late होती है. I'm doing all of this, so I'll start earning quite instantly. Earning happens a lot later. You'll have to probably take a lot of barter and make content, create good content, and then that will change to you earning well. But it'll initially take time. Don't come with a thinking that oh मुझे तो मिल जाएगा पैसे के लिए. Don't come, I think, because that is very late in the process, and तब तक you will already get drained because you have come with a certain notion. So I would say don't do that. Initially you will also have to put a lot of money. I think I have put in a lot of money. Now that I think about it, I'm like are you sure? But yes, if you want something कुछ और नहीं कर सकते हैं. You have to plan it, I think, a little well कि how I'm going to invest money, and there are many ways you do it. Most content does not require money also. Something like if you're doing a lifestyle or doing a productivity, if you're doing these routines and stuff, you don't need so much of money. But if you're doing fashion or like skincare or beauty, बहुत पैसा जाता है, and अपने पैसे से ही जा रहा है because you're not getting anything out of it. Like it's like an investment you're making for your future because you believe in yourself that your content will work. That is an investment. Another thing I've learned is that you yourself have to pitch your content. You have to pitch brands. I have to work on that, I think, personally, I would say, and I would request you all also. You cannot wait for collaborations. कोई आ रहा है, great, but if कोई नहीं आ रहा है, brands coming forward to work with you, I think you have to pitch yourself. Do cold emailing. Nowadays I'm making a list of brands I want to reach out to, and then I cold email them. So do something like that. Pitch yourself and pitch your content is something I would say. For monetization on YouTube, just ads run होने से पैसे नहीं आते. There is a certain criteria. You need to have 1000 followers and 4000 hours of watch time. 1000 followers कई लोगों के easily हो जाते हैं if you're consistent. मेरा अलग केस है, please don't compare it with me. But yeah, I'm trying to do both of them hand in hand, subscribers and watch time. So मेरा थोड़ा I think हो जाएगा, मेरा भी हो जाएगा sooner or later. But yeah, you need watch hours as well as subscribers. Subscribers काफी easily आ जाते हैं. Watch hours के लिए you have to work hard a little more. The more videos you push, the more watch time. So yes, this is the criteria, and I think I hope I answered everything as much as I can. I am still learning, but whatever I have learned, I have shared with you all. I hope it was helpful, and if you found it helpful, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram because I do so many of these questionnaires which I answer on YouTube. So if you have more questions, I would definitely take it up there, or maybe put it in the comments. I would love to answer. I will make another video if you have any specific questions, if you want me to. And if you have reached this part of the video, drop a pink heart in the comments, and until I see you next time.